under the guise of Mindless Pepper. So yeah, there's that. He sent you the friend request, so I hear him. He will return momentarily. But I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. I would play that. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 would play. I think, like as far as looking at this skin goes, I really feel like I don't share Blizzard's fetish with horns, because especially if you look at Diablo, like every master skin they're putting in this game, and in general, like if you played World of Warcraft and you look at those sets, they love their horns. Like they just put horns on everything. Just so many horns, really. And I don't share that love, because I mean I do have their tinier horns. Like if you like the Bulwark of Azeroth, in my opinion, the Bulwark of Azeroth like had the perfect horn to not obnoxious ratio.
All right, I'm back.
And there's a lot of things you'll see in here where they do get a bit obnoxious.
All right.
That's how I feel about that. Isn't that right, Will?
What?
You will agree. Like look at okay. I'm talking about Blizzard's fetish with horns. Like if you see a lot of especially a lot of WoW tiers and a lot of armors in this, Blizzard's had such a serious fetish with horns.
That makes sense.
Yeah, but like Rexxar has my favorite type. I don't like horns, but I like spikes. And these spikes are too big. But like if you look at Diablo's back, that's a bit too much for me.
Hi, Ashlers. Did you want to join us on Skype, or do you just want to stay typey right now?
You're more than welcome to join us on Skype.
Yeah, more than welcome to. Do you stream too? Was that?
Yeah.
Okay, I was just making sure.
We were talking about Star Fox Zero.
I just saw the woo.
For the woo.
I want to get a woo at some point.
Yeah.
At some point.
Okay. Her Skype is It's Laundry Day.
That is awesome.
Yes. That is cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
How the hell do I... Add contact. Sent you the contact, and then I'm also adding you to the... Well, whenever you accept it, I'll add you to the call. And I'm opening up a big-ass can of Mountain Dew Baja Blast.
Oh, topical.
Yes.
I'm gonna ready up.
Go for it. Ah, it shot all over me!
If I had a nickel for every time I've heard that, I'd have a lot of nickels.
Oh wait, you... I don't think I can add her to the call. Oh yeah, I can. I'm an idiot.
Wait, do I need to make you the master of the call? Do I need to add her?
You might want to. Is it okay if Brett adds you too, Ashlers?
Don't say yes.
Not like this.
Not like this. Alright, it's Laundry Day, Ashler Z, add to contacts. I would like to add you as contact. Alright.
Go for it.
I'm assuming she'll show up kind of high. Ashler Z.
Yeah!
Alright, let's add her, invite her to the group call. Alright, cool.
Alright!
Got her in here.
Alright, so after this I'm going to probably switch to Rhaegar.
Hello.
Hello, Ashlers. How are you?
Hi. I'm good.
That's good. That's good. You've played a lot of Vala, apparently.
A lot of what?
Vala? Isn't that her master skill?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Dang,
Have you played
girl.
Rexar yet?
Dang, I have not played Rexar.
He's different.
I primarily play like I'm kind of rusty probably because I haven't played in a while, but like Vala, Anub,
Nice.
Kerrigan.
I also play a noob, but in real life.
Yeah.
Mm.
See,
Searching.
when Diablo yells, that's like me when I get up in the morning when someone wakes me up. I'm like, what the fuck is this?
If you're shooting fire from your body,
Loud.
That-
I gotta change my settings.
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
Oh,
I haven't been on.
for me, sometimes when I eat Mexican food, I tend to shoot fire out, but in a different way.
oh, that's not good.
Yes, but
I had Mexican last. No, I didn't. I had bangers and mash from.
every time I think of that, I think of Get Him to the Greek.
What is that
Uh,
exactly? I don't think I even know exactly what that is.
Bangers and mash. It's Irish sausage and mashed potatoes with peas.
Oh,
Yes, bangers and mash. Bangers is what they call sausage.
Ah,
And mash for mashed potatoes.
I see a Chilliams there in lurk mode. How are you doing, man? Do you have Heroes of the Storm and want to join us by chance?
Yeah.
More the merrier. Oh, game ready. God damn it.
Yeah. We got a Nova.
I still cannot
She
see.
is fair.
I think it was an
You
Arthas.
can't, no one can see you because Misha
those are
stands
always
up.
bad though.
Well,
Usually.
The ones I always see coming into are like, I can't forget his name. He's like a parasite. He just,
Abathur?
yeah, I think people
Yeah,
just, Abathur. People, like, every time I've been in a game with an Abathur, they just sit there and don't do anything.
Well,
That's what they do.
yeah.
Ah.
Abathur.
That's what Abathur does.
So like he's like
He controls stuff, and
yeah, he's like an item, really.
Oh, okay.
yeah, he's
like
not.
the
He's
most-
not meant to be out there.
That makes sense.
Ooh, do you know what else they have? They have a Leatherface Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game version.
Oh, that's right, they do.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Oh yeah, Brett and I were hanging out today, and I found this. Well, actually, Brett found it when we went to a comic book shop, and it's something out of the show I really like, Kamen Rider, and my favorite series,
Daddy.
and it's awesome. I haven't opened it yet because I just
Oh, it looks cool. I see it now.
yeah, I haven't opened it yet because I'm like, I don't want to ruin the pretty.
Do it. There we go. Yeah, they do have a Freddy Nightmare on Elm Street appearance.
Yeah, and Toys R Us didn't have the Jason Voorhees.
No.
No, it's lame.
Lame.
They'll take the Breaking Bad toys out, but they'll leave like all the other violent
They
stuff.
take them out. I never knew what came with that.
I don't think they did. I don't remember. Do health regen right now.
Ooh, I'm gonna be so rusty. Oh, I'm not terrible.
I know.
I haven't played in a long time. I don't know why. I just kind of stopped playing.
I can't remember the last time I played. Besides today. Are we all? Where are we all going?
I don't know. I just went top.
What map is this?
We'll go mid, Brett. If you or Ashlers, if you want to join
That
us.
doesn't have a mid.
Oh,
There's
that's
no
right.
mid.
Cool.
I'm stupid. Ah.
Okay, you guys go on.
Okay.
Go bat. Nova
wait.
kind of roams because she can go invisible. It's okay. We got 3 bot too.
Aha.
He's in there. Get that. There's the stun. There's the slow. To my side, Misha.
Illidan. He's riding a Hearthstone card.
Yep. I actually have that. If you play 100 games in Hearthstone, you can unlock. Oh no, I didn't get that one.
Oh, that thing's dead.
Do you need help up top, Ashlers?
Ah, damn it! I took
To my
him out.
side.
Now we're okay.
Well, there we go. Done. Flip. Got him.
Illidan.
Got him. Careful, don't die.
Nope. I'm gonna go heal really quick so I'll get her back.
Globe.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, you're gonna get hurt real bad. I stunned him. Oh, I can't stun him though. To my side, Misha.
Run, Mixa!
Misha, to my side. Actually, I didn't need to move that. Okay, cool. He's got that going on. Boom! Stunned. You flipper?
No, I couldn't get her in time.
Okay, that's fine. Oh, Misha died. Did not pay attention to Turtekuro. I would. Alright, I got Misha back in 8 seconds. That's fine. Misha's expendable to me.
You just use her and throw her away. Poor Misha.
Revive pet. Revive pet.
But Misha loves you. I'm Hearthing out to get more health, and I think,
It's okay, the mine's gonna be open.
Gather skulls and empower.
So when you get up, go straight to the mins.
Ooh, they're all up here. God damn.
Yeah.
Do you want me to come up there, Ashlers?
No, they all went to the mines.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down there. I hope I don't die.
You come through bot, we're at bot.
Okay, I found Illidan and killed him. Oh shit.
Ah!
I'm actually gonna try the one where her auto attacks are more effective against minions and mercenaries.
Ah, damn it, he poisoned me. I'm gonna die to it.
Sergeant Hammer. Alright. Forget about him. I'm gonna have Misha tank the big guy.
Okay.
Since they got people down.
I gotta choose a talent. Hold on.
I'm getting the regen glove first. I know he's got it. Try and pick up that skull if you can.
Got it.
Also, stuns are bad.
Yeah. Got it!
Alright, good. So we should be winning. So okay, we got enough. We won. Now we can get out of here.
Wow, we won barely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, they were. I guess they were getting all the other ones.
I'm gonna go top with Ashlers.
Okay. I'm gonna wait just to see where our
I don't
golem.
know where they are, but I'm gonna try to push this.
Yep, I'm coming to help out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's a.
Here's our golem. He's going bot. Nope, he's going top. He just back and forth. I can't.
Your golem is stronger.
All right, they got merch.
Oh, shit.
We got some merch. We got this though. It is.
Shit, I gotta heal.
I got the thing where Misha hurts extra bad to merch. Oh no, that chick. Forget about her. All right, we got her. We got her so. Misha, come on.
Get it, girl.
I charge. Boom, baby. We got these minions. We got these. Get the wall first. Yeah, I want that.
Oh my god, that didn't kill her.
Got the stun on him. I'm gonna get the healing pool.
Illidan's dead.
Yep. Alright. I'm getting the Fjord.
Ah, I got a
Thanks for him.
Zeratul on my ass.
It's okay. I got the stun. There we go. Misha's stun's really good.
Yeah.
And then I can follow it up with the slow, which is nice.
I'm gonna go heal really quick,
Okay.
so I'll be back.
But why?
Actually, no, I think I'm good.
Not shit, I'm dead.
No,
Yeah, you're the
Ashlers.
tank and you're at half health, you're fine. Where are you going?
Nowhere.
But now I'm dead, so maybe you wanna...
Come to me, Misha.
Alright,
Alright, I'm outie. Come back to me, dog. Dog, bear. Bear. Bear, no. Bear, no. Bear, no.
I died for you, Ashlers.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Kinda worth it.
There we go. Into my pet. I gotta get out of the fight though. Uh-oh.
Here before the action ends.
It's okay, we got a really good push and they didn't. Because we had a stronger golem.
Watch out, Ashlers.
Got him! Alright, I'm pushing this lane. Got him.
Got you.
I'm gonna get the siege camp.
I'll go with you.
Yeah, because I took the special